Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vivacious Vani. This is a new series which I have started for all those who wants to learn calligraphy. So this is the basic calligraphy course which we'll be doing together. Now, what is calligraphy? Calligraphy is just an art of decorative handwriting. It means आप इसको किसी भी तरह से अगर अपनी handwriting को creatively लिखते हैं तो उसको calligraphy कहते हैं. It can be done with a pen, pencil or any brush also. But हम जो basic calligraphy करते हैं उसको हम एक calligraphy pen से करेंगे. We need 4 tools or supplies to learn calligraphy. The first one is a calligraphy pen. Calligraphy pen comes from range 100, goes on to 1000, 2000. So the basic one comes with 4 nibs. This one which I have has 6 nibs to the extensions. This is from 1 to 6. The broader the greater the number is. This is an ink pen, a fountain pen, and also you have few more other calligraphy pens which are available in the market. This one I got as a set of 3. This says an Artline calligraphy pen. This is a kind of marker. The only difference between these two is this one is use and throw and this can be refilled. This can be refilled with an ink pot. So I always prefer this pen. Always. The second thing you require is an ink pot with any colored ink, whether blue, black or something. The third thing which you require is a notebook. I always prefer writing and learning calligraphy in the 4-line copy. The 4-line copy. ये generally हमारे घरों में होती है. The pre-primary kids जो writing start करते हैं उनके पास होती है ये. And the fourth and the last thing is a rough cloth. Trust me guys, it gets really messy with the ink pot and the ink pen. So that's it, and I hope you're ready with your supplies in the next class so that we can learn a lot together. Some few tips before we start is we have first and the foremost thing which we have to do is to be friends with our calligraphy pen. They play a little naughty in the starting because when you fill it with the ink, generally ink flow होने में nib तक it takes time pen को flow में आने में. तो at least you will require 2 to 3 days of real practice with the pen. With any of the nibs which we choose, I think we'll do it with the number 2 nib first. So guys, let's get started. So friends, let's start with the nib practice. So don't worry guys, you'll be able to write just like this after this course. It's really easy, just you need to practice. So the first and the very basic step to learn calligraphy is the strokes. As we go up, the strokes are light, and as we go down, the strokes are heavy. So you have to put very less pressure when you go up and a little more pressure when you go. We have to make a step ladder, which means you have to just drag your nib like this. Can you see? You just have to drag your nib to make a kind of square. You have to go up very lightly, turn and come down. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पतली लाइन है और यहाँ मोटी लाइन है. यही आर्ट है जो कैलीग्राफी लिखने के बाद उस राइटिंग को, हैंड राइटिंग को ब्यूटीफुल बनाता है. आप and down, up light, down thick, up light, down thick, up light, down thick. एक ये बहुत यूज़ होता है कैलीग्राफी में. इट्स काइंड ऑफ एस बट यू हैव टू मेक इट लिटिल कर्वी. जो एंड्स हैं वो बहुत शार्पन रहेंगे और जो मिडिल पार्ट है वो बहुत थिक आएगा. सो आप फ्लैट निप को ऐसे रखिए 45 डिग्री एंगल पे और इसको ड्रैग करके ऐसे कर दीजिए. आप ये सारी डिज़ाइंस लाइक द फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकेंड लाइन, थर्ड लाइन आप ऊपर एक बार लिख के फुल पेज प्रैक्टिस करिए, जिससे आपका पेन का फ्लो और निप प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छे से होगी और फिर आगे आपको बहुत इजी होगा करने में. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इट्स अ स्मॉल ओ बट वी हैव टू मेक श्योर जो एंड्स हैं वो बहुत शार्पन्ड होंगे. ये जगह और ये बहुत थिन आनी चाहिए. द रेस्ट शुड बी थिक. आप इसको ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करिए. वन मोर, इससे आपका निप का फ्लो अच्छा होगा. वन इज आप इसको हाथ उठा के भी कर सकते हैं, बट आई विल प्रेफर कि आप इसको एक बार में बनाएं. Hope you like the first class and you can practice when you're ready with your supplies and tools. Also, we'll be learning the basic small letter calligraphy lettering from the next class. So please subscribe for the notification of the next class, and I hope you all will be so excited as I am to learn this calligraphy course with me. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Signing off, Vani.